Unboxing the Halo SleepSure. The Halo SleepSure Smart Baby Monitor. Opening it up, we already cut the little tape on the back that secured it down. Smarter sleep starts now. So these are really cool. I've always wondered about how these would work. Additional sizes for the bands. So looks like they have the standard size and additional sizes, depending on how big the baby is. And it looks like it's the monitor right there. Cool. It's glowing, so maybe it's already been charged for us a little bit, but I'm guessing we can charge it. I gotta look up all the instructions. Power supply is probably in there, in the power box. Cord. As you can tell, it's my husband's hands that are opening this up for me. Cool, so that's the power cable and charger. All right, so get connected and stay connected. So we're gonna plug in the base station with the adapter and USB cord. The base station should remain plugged in. That's this guy. So just plugging that in now. Okay. And then we're going to place sensor in base station to begin charging. Sensor will turn green once fully charged, which it did look like it turned green when you had opened it. And oh, you can machine wash the fabric band and wipe it down. Wipe down the sensor weekly. So just putting that in there, that's cool. Okay, so it's red, so it's charging right now. I like the little smiley face on there. So it shows that the monitor is now 100% charged. So we're gonna put it on baby boy. All right, so we're gonna be putting this Halo onto baby. So not worn, that's why we're putting it on now. And we can see the app is working because I think it feels that it's on the baby's skin. Okay, so it shows the pulse. That's cool. Temperature. Ryan is active. Bless you, baby.